Hi everyone, this is Emmy, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a really cute little clutch bag with just a square of crocheted work. To make this clutch purse, I'm going to work with a size 6.5mm crochet hook and 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. To begin this clutch, you're just going to work a rectangle, and you're going to chain any number of stitches. It doesn't matter. You're going to make as many stitches as you want for your bag to be the width that you want. So this is going to be the width of your bag, and then I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch of the chain. So work all the way across the chain. Okay, I have worked all the way across the row. The end of the row, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across the row. And every row from now on will be the same. You will work across the row, making a single crochet in every stitch. At the end of the row, you'll chain 1 and turn, single crochet back across the row. And you're going to continue to do that until your rectangle is as large as you would like your clutch to be. So I have this rectangle worked, and I'm going to fold it in half. And now you're just going to sew up both side seams. And you can either sew it with a needle and yarn, or you can slip stitch to join. That's entirely up to you, and I have those techniques are in my other videos if you don't know how to do that. After you have your side seams sewn up, I'm using some clothesline, but you could use a chain cord or a ribbon, whatever you choose. And I'm just going to pass through every second stitch all the way around. Take the two ends and tie them into a knot. Tie the knot far enough away that you can still open the bag to get into it, but that when it's pulled up like this, you can still put your hand through to carry it like this. Then trim off the ends. You can leave it like this, or you could add a flower. Click here to find out how to make this flower. I've just made a shabby chic little bow out of a torn strip of fabric. Pass it through a stitch or two and tie into a bow.